Hello everyone. The topic that we are going to discuss today is EC2 instance family and EC2 instance type. Coming to EC2 instance family, AWS provides general purpose instances that are suitable for applications that are running with balanced memory and CPU. Some of the common use cases include small DBs and small web servers. We then have compute optimized instances which are suitable for applications that require more CPU than memory. The common use cases for compute optimized instances are the web servers that require higher performance, then memory optimized instances that are suitable for applications which require more memory than CPU. Some of the commonly used applications here are in-memory databases and big data processing engines like Apache Spark or Presto, and then accelerated computing instances that are suitable for applications that require more graphical power. And some of the common use cases includes machine learning or 3D visualization, video encoding, etc. And then storage optimized instances that are suitable for applications that require low latency IAPS and sequential read write. And some of the common use cases includes the distributed file system, NoSQL databases, analytical workloads, data warehouse applications, etc. Then we have certain instance family that provides a burstable performance, such as G2 instance families. Burstable instances in AWS provides a guaranteed level of CPU performance with the ability to burst to high level of CPU utilization for transient workloads. Each instance has a baseline of CPU utilization referred as the CPU credits by AWS. CPU credits will be consumed while the instance is in active state and performing computations. Instance families such as T2 can benefit higher level of CPU when needed. T2 burstable instances are only for nano, micro and small instance types which are suitable for smaller workloads. And then coming to instance types, on-demand instances or EC2 instances that are launched whenever needed without making any upfront payment or any long-term commitments. We pay only for the compute durations our instances have, that is per second for Linux and per hour for Windows machines. Consider that we are going to start an EC2 instance day at 1 am and we are going to terminate our instance at 2:05 am. So here we could see that the EC2 instance have run for 65 minutes in total. So if we have hosted our EC2 instance with Linux operating system or Ubuntu, we will be paying in second, that is in a 60-second basis. So we will be paying for 65 minutes. Whereas if we have hosted our EC2 instance with Windows based operating system, then we need to pay for 2 hours. Why? Because for Windows the billing is based on hour and not based on seconds. Then we have reserved instances. So reserved instances provides you with a significant discount compared to on-demand instance pricing with a long-term commitment of up to either 1 or 3 years. We reserve the resources that are required for deploying our EC2 instances in that availability zone. Spot instances or unused EC2 instances that are available for less than on-demand instance pricing. The hourly price for spot instance is called as spot price. This spot price is set by Amazon EC2 based on the demand for spot instances. And these spot instances can be launched immediately if the spot request is active and the capacity requested is available. If the requested capacity is not available, the spot request continues to automatically make launch request until the requested capacity becomes available. You cannot start or stop an EBS-backed spot instances. Only Amazon EC2 spot service can start or stop the spot instances. And these EC2 spot instances are suitable for applications that are fault tolerant or stateless. We opt for dedicated instance when we want our EC2 instances to run on a single tenant hardware. This hardware will be shared by other EC2 instances in the same account that are not dedicated. Dedicated host provides complete control over the physical server so that we can deploy our new instances to the same physical server. Also supports bring your own license BYOL model to be used for Windows, SQL Server, etc. And this addresses our corporate compliance and regulatory requirements. When we check our reserved instances, they are classified into 2 categories, standard array and convertible array. The average discount for standard reserved instance is high when comparing it with the convertible reserved instances. For both reserved instance types, we can modify the availability zone, instance size, and networking type. Whereas the convertible reserved instance comes up with the additional characteristic of changing the instance family, operating system, tenancy period, and the payment option. We can sell the reserved instances in the marketplace, which are grouped according to the term remaining and the hourly prices. So thanks everyone for watching. In our next lecture, we will be discussing about the various EC2 states that are available, and let us see a short demo on how to deploy an EC2 instance, I am connecting to the EC2 instance.